you Grandpa bought this car for you.
What?
Yeah.
No, you're joking.
No.
What?
$1.85 a gallon. Natural gas. Let's go. What's up, dude?
What's up?
What's up, helper? Where are we going?
To Greenville.
Yes. You don't even know.
No.
This does not look like we're near an auction.
In
Half a
1/4
mile.
mile, turn right
We're in
on
some
Birkdale
neighborhood.
Drive, then take the first left.
Where we at?
I have no idea.
You got us lost.
What's up?
So we're here at Greenville IAI, picking up a car. This guy here doesn't know what it is yet.
No. That?
No. No, it's not that.
I love it.
So Jacob,
Huh.
what if I told you Grandpa bought this car for you?
What?
Yeah.
No, you're joking.
No.
What?
Yeah, this is your car.
No way.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Dad, hello. What?
Yeah.
No way.
Say thanks, Grandpa.
Thank you so much. That's crazy.
So Jacob, tell us what you got.
Got a 2006 330. What was it? XI? Yeah, 330 XI. That's awesome.
It's pretty cool for a first car, right?
Yeah.
We don't know what's wrong with it, right? But
Yeah.
it's not wrecked. It's a clean title. So hopefully it's an easy fix, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. You excited to clean it and work on it?
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so we got the 330 home. We got it off the trailer. We had to roll it off because battery's dead and there was some oil on the trailer that we saw, and I guess it's leaking oil. We also saw oil inside the car, right?
Yeah.
And some coolant, like 2 gallons of coolant.
Mhm.
Those are all signs of a blown engine.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And then we open the cap and it looks nasty in there. So we charged the battery overnight, about to put it in, and we're about to see how this engine turns. Battery's connected, booster's connected. What is this? Some kind of grease. Okay, battery. What's up, Giselle? Okay, let's see how it does. Yeah. Let's check compression, I guess.
The screen still didn't.
Yes.
You can spray it.
I'm gonna spray it.
Okay.
Okay, try it.
Can I try riding ready. We're ready.
Yep.
To 30.
30?
Yes.
What do we got?
This one was less than 30 or less than the last one.
Okay, so it looks like there's no compression. We checked cylinder 1, 2, and 3. 1 was 30, 2 was 30, 3 was 0, exactly 0. So most likely we're gonna swap this engine out. We found one not far away for a couple $100, and we're gonna go pick it up probably within a week and start this engine swap. But for now, I'm gonna pressure wash under the hood because everything's covered in oil. I'm guessing there was crazy oil leaks that never got taken care of, and that could be why the engine failed. It could be a blown head gasket, could be piston rings, who knows. And we may take this engine apart once it's out of the car, but for now we're just gonna clean it up, give it a wash, and that'll be it. Pull it hard, dude. So it's safe to say that this engine's probably done. Like, it's not gonna run unless it's rebuilt. So I don't know what else I can try. If you know these engines, let me know in the comments what else I can try. Maybe to get the compression up. I don't know how these engines work. It could be like a chain that snapped, but then I would have zero compression on all cylinders. So the first one was 30 psi, second one was 30, and the third one was 0. So I don't know. I'm thinking it's a blown head gasket. It looks like this car was not abused, but maintenance wise wasn't kept up with, like no oil changes probably or anything like that. Probably overheated at some point. So I'm guessing it's a head gasket. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the engine probably in the next few weeks, and we'll probably try to make a video on it. But if you have some tips or suggestions on this car, what else I can replace while we got the engine out, besides the obvious, like the used engine I'm getting, I am going to replace all the gaskets and reseal everything, and you know, obviously put new belts on and stuff like that, and most likely just go ahead and flush the transmission while it's, you know, out of the car as well. Plan is to take this whole front clip off and just pull the drivetrain out through the front and go from there. So any tips or any kind of help, leave it in the comments below, and until next time, later.